It's on.
Yeah.
Is it really on?
Yeah, I can see.
You can see it?
Yeah.
So what else am I doing today? So I'm watching this guy.
The God of this world.
Who's he?
Hate.
Does anybody know? Todd White.
The God of this world doesn't hate his kids that act like him.
Anyway, guys, so doing a lot of things, watching YouTube videos, watching Todd White, listening to him, helping the kids do their stuff, keeping them online, and making sure they're doing their work, which they're pretty good about that. And just make sure that, you know, they follow the timeline of what class they're supposed to be in. Anyway, let's turn around so you can see me. Hi, Rachel. Homeschool and macaroni and cheese. Hey Josh, where you been? There. Were you hiding from me?
Yeah.
You did a good job. Where were you, in the closet?
In the basket.
You were in the basket. So I came in here looking for you, and you were in the basket with the dirty clothes. Ming wants to get in there. Hi, Ming. So this is what's going on in the house today. As you saw, Rachel is doing her homeschool, eating some mac and cheese, and Josh is in here playing and hiding from me, and then playing with Ming. And he's also over here playing with his, what do you call this again?
Imaginex.
Imaginex? Yeah, but is it Batman's or whose is it?
Villain.
Oh, the villains? The villains hideout. Alright, cool. Who do you have here, buddy? Who do you have? Who's here? So who's this guy? Gator Man. What about these guys? Look familiar. Okay. And what do you think about it, Ming? Oh, you just see the red string you want to play with. Okay. Alright, Josh. So you're on your break?
Yeah.
You already had 2 classes today?
Yeah.
Okay. So, don't forget, 11:15. Gotta be back for review, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, see you later, guys.
See you later, guys.